But if a bag is not for you, it's not for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natashea. I know it's been a very long time since I posted anything. Well, 90 days. But I have good reason for that. I needed time off. I was feeling burnt out. I didn't have any more content and I wasn't really buying any luxury that much at the time. So I just wanted a break to reassess what I wanted to do with this channel and, you know, just get a break and miss it again so I could be excited to make content again. But anyway, I digress. I'm going to quickly get into this video. If you are new here, my channel is about luxury travel, all things luxury, and from time to time I talk about money and how to make money to afford those luxury things. So I'm going to get right into this video. Although I took a break from recording, I did not take a break from buying luxury, and it'll be evident in my next coming videos. I have tons of content planned, and I just wanted to make this video real quick so that I could show you guys a bag that I purchased almost 3 weeks ago. And I was away for 2 weeks in Florida, which is a video that's coming up after this one. And now I'm deciding to return it because regardless of how beautiful it is, it does not really fit into my lifestyle. And so it has to go back. And instead of trying to resell it and going through all that waiting game and whatnot, within the 30-day Louis Vuitton return period, I'm just going to return it. I never actually wore it out. I just unboxed it on my closet page on Instagram, so if you don't know about that, it's up here. And yeah, and basically I'm going to show you the bag and a video of me here unboxing it. So here is the beautiful bag, okay? It is absolutely gorgeous. I really struggled with trying to figure out if I should return the bag or not. And I'll give you a couple of reasons why I'm returning it. I just put my Chanel bandeau on it because I didn't want to end up putting my sweaty hands on the vachetta strap. But anyway, the reasons I'm returning it is several. One, although the lining is very beautiful, it is a very light blue suede, and I'm pretty sure over time it will not be so pretty and so suede, like clean. And although I take really good care of my bags, I don't want to stress over them. I want to use them, I want to feel good about them, and I don't want to have to babysit them so much that it's more like work than it is enjoying the bag. So that's reason number one. The second reason is, although on camera it looks pretty white, right? In person it's not, okay? And this was the first like Damier bag that I purchased, so I mean, I didn't really truly know what to expect. Even in the store, I kept looking at it like I would expect the white blocks to be like brighter. On camera it looks very brilliantly white, but in person the white is more like off-white, and it's just not a vibe for me. And also, even it being off-white, I know it's a bag that's gonna like have color transfer issues, have all kinds of stuff going on with the brighter color and the canvas not really being like something that's going to be easy to clean all the time, okay? The other reason I'm returning it is, like I said, the reason I had these like this strap on here, I mean this bandeau on here, the Chanel twirly bandeau, whatever you want to call it, is I have sweaty hands, right? It's a condition I've had since I was a child, and this is a lot of vachetta, okay? And it's on the main handle I would be holding. Yes, I can put a scarf on it like I did here, but it means I would never be able to use it bare without the risk of it ending up with stains on it because of my hands. I have hyperhidrosis. I've had it since I was a child, and I'm over 30 now, so it's not going to go away. So that's reason number 3. Reason number 4 I'm returning it is the shape I thought was something I was going to love. And maybe I'm just overthinking it, but like wearing it and having it on my side and then having to like grab things out of here and opening it and going through it back and forth is not something that really feels like appealing to me, okay? I'd rather have like a tote or something that's zippered all the way, but the drawstring is unfortunately at this time not something I really feel like lifestyle wise is something I want to have in a bag. Now maybe if the interior was different, like different fabric, different color, I would feel different about it. I've heard of like quality issues with like piling later on the longer you own the bag. It, like with the suede, you know, the Damier band turning really yellow. For what I paid for this bag, which was about $2,350 before tax and about $2,550 after tax, I don't want to have this many issues with the bag. It's 4 reasons too much, okay? I should maybe have 1 or 2 reasons max, but I have 4. And yeah, the combination of all the things I've mentioned just makes this bag not work for me. It is an absolutely beautiful bag, I'm not denying that, but next time I purchase a bucket bag, I'm going to have to consider a few more things: a darker color, a more durable interior, and probably less vachetta. So there's that. Yeah, so I just wanted to make this quick video and just let you guys know about that. Next video will be my Florida trip, where I went to Tampa, Miami, West Palm. I had a really good trip, and I hope you guys look forward to seeing that. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And yeah, unfortunately this one has to go back to the store. A lot of people loved it when I put it on Reddit, and I put it on my Instagram. I even got text messages from friends about it. But if a bag is not for you, it's not for you. And I know myself, and this is not going to work for me. So back to the store it goes. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a lovely week, and I will see you next Friday. Bye.